Hello everyone. This is my week seven assignment. It's with HTML only. I decided to do a computer shop website which contains 4 pages. It contains index.html, products.html, contact.html, and onlinehelp.html. I would like to go through each page and explain what I did. Like in the title in the index.html and the other ones, I put Jason's computer shop home, and the title means it's the title of the home page, which means the index.html. That's the title of the home page, h that it will show in the web browser. I want to show you that for a minute. Yeah, Jason's computer shop home. That's what that is. If I go back here, go to the same thing here. It's the same thing here, but it's only the title of the products page. Then it says the title of the online help page and the title of the contact page. So let me show you those particular ones. Here's the products, contact, online help, name of the web pages, documents. Then I went in here and defined the header. The first header is the H1, which is Jason's computer shop. So it's in big font size. Then at the nav, I said as of next week, it will be a future navigation bar through cascading style sheets. But this is for the linked web pages, so that the navigation bar will turn into, these web links will turn into navigation bars, so it'll be beside each other horizontally, to make it nice and neat. Then I made an unordered list of the linked pages, so they're here with anchors and line items, and made with anchors and href, index.html, products.html, contact.html, and onlinehelp.html. Then I went down here and on the index page still, and within the section tag, I added H2, welcome to Jason's computer shop. That's another font size. Then I went in and added a computer.jpg, which is which is 300 pixels width. The width is 300 pixels and the height is 300 pixels. So I made it to a decent size, but that may change later on. But I gave it some size of it instead of dealing with the original size. Then I defined the footer here, which is just a paragraph, and it has the hand copy, which is the copyright sign, 2023 Jason's Computer Shop, all rights reserved. That's what I got on that website or web page. My products involves the same thing. The title of the products page is Jason's Computer Shop dash products. Same with the header. I defined the header is the same thing. Future navigation bar, the link images, that goes for all 4 pages. And the unordered list of the linked web pages, all these. Then I went down here and I did some divs within this section. I did some divs. I did and it's also in the main section, then the section tag and ID'd with products. I did the same thing with home. On the index, the section ID is home with the index.html. With products.html, the section ID is products. Online help, the section ID is home. And then for the contact, this section ID, if there is one, is contact. So it says contact us. So, but other things I did besides this, in the under the contact.html, I made a form. I made a form where it shows that you're required to provide your name. You're also required to provide your email address because it has the word required at the end of the code. And also you're required to provide a message and that's required. And then the submit button. So that's a form that looks like this. So something like this, but it's going to be a little bit bigger. And you can change the size of this to something bigger on the web page. But once you refresh it, it goes back to its original size. But it's 4 rows. It's a 4 rows. So it's not too bad. Made a submit button. Of course, it says you have to fill this out, fill the name out, fill the email out, fill the message out in order to submit it. I also did an address. If I go back to my thing, on line 40, I did an address. And of course, the name of the shop is Jason's Computer Shop. The address is what it's shown, 13467 Herman Street, Carson, Virginia, 23830. And then I added just a phone number just for kicks to make it like it's realistic. But it's provide the address and phone number to Jason's Computer Shop. And I did some stuff there. Online help, same thing I did before, but this is different. I made a table where it's for online help services. And so the table specifies the type of online help service and corresponding price. So there's a table header for service and a table header for price within the table row. I made a second table row with table data for software installation and troubleshooting, and then $90 for that particular service. And then I did virus cleaning for $75, and then optimization and performance for $75. So if I look at that in the browser, it's something like this, but it's going to be neat. It's going to be better with it's going to look even better with cascading style sheets, CSS. But that's what I have as my table right now. So. And the other interesting thing is all my pages are linked to one another. So if I go in any order possible, they will go back to each other, to any of them. So they are working. But if you have any questions, please let me know. I appreciate it, and I thank you very much.